Hi learners, in this video we are going to talk about 17 interesting facts that should be known by everyone. Can you tell a man who buried on moon? Can you tell a man who became richest person in just 2 minutes? Can you tell the shortest war in the history? Can you tell the sound produced from the sun? Let's jump into the deep sea. Please watch until the end. Please do subscribe. First one. When we are traveling in a aeroplane, helicopter, jets, eat any food, you feel like tasteless. But you think that this is the mistake of chef. But not. When you are flying in a high altitude, less presence of vapor, less presence of pressure, our nose sensitivity decreases little much. Our tongue taste bud sensitivity decreases 30%. That's why we feel tasteless. It is not the fault of chef. Second fact. Scientists find the chewing gum of 5700 years aged. This chewing gum was antiseptic, water resistant. That's why it is not decomposed till now. They find the details of chewing gum. It was made by the peach tree. The chewing gum preserved the DNA who have chewed. It was chewed by a female of blue eyes, black color and brown hair. The third one. Norway country flag is known as mother of all flags. It contains 8 different country flags in it. The fourth one. We are using Wi-Fi for high internet speed. It come from a failure invention. The scientist was finding the size of mini black holes. That experiment failed. From that he observed different signals are coming out. The signals were radio frequencies and these radio frequencies are using in Wi-Fi. Fifth one. NASA was recording the sound of sun. After that they found that sun is producing Om sound. That's why we need to chant Om in the morning. Sixth one. In moon a man was buried. His name is Yuji Shoemaker. He is an asteroid and calculate the movements of planets. His dedication towards the work made NASA to send his ash to the moon. He died in 1997. In 1998, NASA launched Lunar Prospector Globe. It carried the hash. Yuji Shoemaker is the only person to bury his hash in the moon. Seventh fact. In winter season, all our body parts will be feeling very cold, but our eyes will not feel cold. There are two reasons. Our eyes has no temperature receptors. The another one is our eyes is near to the head. Our eyes observe temperature from the head. Eighth fact. The major pollution we are facing with plastic bags and plastic covers, but we know that we can't recycle it. In Bengaluru, plastics are used to construct road by extracting polyblend powder and adding bitumen mixture to construct roads. These roads are cheaper and best quality and this road will not absorb water. Ninth fact. You have seen different types of peppers which are small size, medium size and large size. Did you even seen these types of peppers anywhere? This is only in Russia. These peppers are very large and tons weight. It can only lifted by cranes. 10th fact. We know that wars took for many days and many years. The shortest war in the history lasted for 38 minutes between the Great Britain and Zanzibar Sultan. On 27 August 1896, this war was taken place. This war was Hango-Zanzibar War. 11th fact. Earth shares its orbit with another asteroid called 2010 TK7. It was identified in 2010 by the team New Visus astronaut. Its orbital speed is 9.1 meter per second. Its gravitational force is 1 by 2000 smaller than the Earth's gravity. It completes its orbital revolution in 365 days 10 hours. 12th fact. We know that ads will play for 3 to 4 minutes in TV. But can you tell the largest ad in the world played in the TV? In December 8, 2018, UA channel had played 13 hours ad in between the movie. 13th fact. PayPal company mistakenly transferred 92 quadrant dollars, which is approximately equal to 1000 trillion dollars, to a person named Sat in his account. He was the richest person in the world until he returned the money. He is the only person in the world to become richest person in just 2 minutes. 14th fact. When we are snapping with our thumb finger, it produces a sound. After that, the thumb finger will go backward direction with the speed of 32.18 km per hour. What an amazing thing now. 15th fact. Earthquake can turn water into gold. When earthquake occurs, vibration, frequencies, large amount of energy is produced within the earth crust. It shows some impact on earth crust. The water in the earth crust evaporates slowly. That's why water is turned into gold. 16th fact. There is the most amazing place in the earth. It is Auroville. In this place, there is no caste, no religion, no election, no money. I want to see the world like this. Please review this statement in the commentary box. 17th fact. We hear many newspapers that person seen UFO aliens, but Jane Smithan, a person told that aliens had given pancake